So guys, today we came with another informative video also. So today we will make this garlic chili sauce at your home. So for this we have to took all this ingredient. So please see this video till last. You will find how we will make garlic chili sauce at your home. So for this we will take like garlic, red chili powder, oil, salt to taste. This grinder we have to grind here our garlic and chili, and also this pan to saute our oil and this cumin seed we have to saute here. Then we will put our this mixture. So I will show you step by step. Also knife and this like this you need all these things. So I will show you step by step. Please see this video till last. You need lemon, also little lemon we have to put here. So I will show you step by step. Please see this video till last. You will find how we will make this garlic chili sauce at your home. So you will find good recipe for you. And if you are new on this channel, or still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also, because in this channel you found all informative videos which we upload daily. So if you will subscribe, so you will, the benefit of the subscribe the channel is that we upload daily informative videos. So you will find daily that video, and please click on bell icon also, because you will find videos which you upload daily. So by notification you will find. So first out what we will do, first we have to put our this chili and this garlic have to here grind. I will show you, and then saute our cumin seed, and this one I will show you, and we will put this. So let's start. So first we have to remove skin of garlic. Okay. So I already clean our garlic like this. You can put here, and little this chili powder you put here like this. Okay, not too much, only little. It's Kashmiri mirchi you can say. Okay, and then little water and lemon juice also here in it. Okay, not too much, only little, and then little lemon juice also I already put it. Okay, now we have to grind it. Okay, and a little salt also. We put little salt also. Okay, like this you can put. Then we have to grind it. So I already grinded our this garlic and chili already, this one. Okay, so this is now I have to cook in oil. So I already took one pan. Here we will put oil and we will saute our cumin seed little. So I already took oil. Also I put oil here, and have to heated our oil. Then we will put little cumin seed here, and then we will put this our this chili and garlic paste. Okay. So I already grinded it. So we will put when this our oil heated. Okay. So you just check your oil should be heated, because this check your oil heated or not, because this cumin seed put when this your whole this more heated your oil. Okay. So our oil already heated. So now we have to put our cumin seed. Little you put, not too much, only little. Okay. You have to saute. Okay. It's little put low fire, and then we have to add our this chili. Okay. So you just add here your chili. Mix well. Mix well and have to cook. Okay. When your this this oil will be removed separate, so this will be cooked. So you cook for this. Okay. So this is already cooked. You have to cook, because when your oil will be separate, so this will be cooked. So now this is cooked. So maybe in 5 minutes this is ready. Okay. So now this is ready to serve. So you can serve this chutney with paratha, or like with bread, or anything you can eat with any snacks. So this is very useful chutney. You can eat with any snacks and any item, okay, like dosa and everything. Okay. So now this is ready to eat and serve also. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. So now our chutney is ready to serve. So see, this is the texture and also color should be like this color and also thickness like this. So this is ready to use. So you, as I told you before, so you can eat this with any paratha or like any snack. So this is very useful chutney. You can refrigerate it because this is you can use with any snacks or any other item. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box and tell to us on which topic you need video. So if you are new on this channel or still not subscribe our channel, so subscribe also, because in this channel you found all informative videos which we upload daily. So I hope you will do like this, and please click on bell icon also, because if you will click on bell icon, so you will found all informative videos which we upload daily. So I hope you will do like this. We will come with another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.